In this part, continuing from our visit to the village of Kandovan, we filmed the local market and the atmosphere around it. If you haven't seen the first part of our visit to the rock village, you'll find the video link in the description and also as a suggested video at the end. Additionally, we've included some footage of the small caves around Kandovan. Unfortunately, I couldn't gather detailed information about these caves, but they resemble ones I saw in Urfa, Turkey. The tourist attractions of Kandovan are hidden within the beautiful rocky landscape near Tabriz. The rock and stone houses in Kandovan have been built inside the mountains since ancient times. Have you ever wanted a personal cave? We recommend traveling to Kandovan with an affordable domestic tour to experience the unique sensation of living in a cave. This amazing village is located in East Azerbaijan Province, 65 kilometers from Tabriz, 18 kilometers from the city of Asku, situated in a valley by the Kandovan River. It has a cold and mountainous climate and is known as Iran's rock village and the third rock village in the world. Interestingly, unlike the two other rock villages, one in Cappadocia, Turkey, and the other in Dakota, USA, which are uninhabited, Kandovan is a living village. The lush nature, beautiful orchards, and picturesque rivers around the village are also noteworthy. Since the village is situated at an elevation of 2,200 meters above sea level and is a high-altitude, cold region, it remains pleasantly cool even in summer. Therefore, the best time to visit Kandovan is during the summer to enjoy the best weather. However, during the fall and winter, Kandovan experiences very cold weather, with residents enduring freezing conditions for 6 months of the year. One of the most important attractions of Kandovan is its astonishing and unique rock architecture, which amazes every visitor. The pleasant and cool mountainous weather in late spring and summer, along with the abundant rivers, adds to the appeal of this summer village. A major reason many people visit Kandovan is the therapeutic properties of its mineral water, which is beneficial for kidney ailments. If you have time to explore the villages around Kandovan, we recommend visiting the historic and buried village of Hilevar. Fruit orchards. The ancient village of Konamo. People from East Azerbaijan, other Iranian cities, and international tourists come to see the amazing beehive and cone-shaped homes. The village's mineral water has many therapeutic properties, and visitors often bring it back for healing purposes. Observing the daily life of the villagers in their unique and beautiful homes is fascinating and uplifting. The village's souvenirs are plentiful and varied, from colorful foods to beautiful handmade crafts. Natural honey is a major local product, and other valuable souvenirs include local butter, dried fruits, walnuts, almonds, grape molasses, spices, herbal drinks, traditional hand-woven bags, and scarves. We recommend dedicating a day of your trip to East Azerbaijan Province to visit Kandovan with family and friends, as you won't want to miss the opportunity to see this amazing phenomenon. Kandovan is one of the 3 rock villages in the world and the only one where people have lived for centuries. It has very clean and cool air, and it attracts the most visitors during the spring and summer months. After your visit, you're sure to fall in love with Kandovan. There are many accounts about the history of Kandovan. According to one story, in the 7th century, residents of a village called Hilevar, located 2 kilometers west of Kandovan, were the first to settle in Kandovan. They migrated there to escape the Mongol invasions, eventually carving homes within the rocky formations of the area. Kandovan is a summer region of the Sahand mountain range, where many nomads live in its lush meadows. The identity of Kandovan Village is defined by its 117 households and residences within the pyramid and cone-shaped rock formations. The villagers have also created barns, storage areas, and workshops within these rock formations. Outside the rock formations, there are water channels where several families share the water. These channels have multiple storage areas and sitting spaces, depending on the slope of the land. Kandovan Village also has a mosque, school, bathhouse, and mill. The largest rock formation is used as a mosque. Most rock formations are cone-shaped and have multiple levels, usually with 2 to 4 floors. These are the caves I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Most tourists tend to skip these areas. If I can obtain more information, I will update the title and description, or I may create a fresh video about them.
Hadi geldim.
Thanks for watching, and until the next one, goodbye.